Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A73 and let me share with you how to clear the credentials on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll to find the security and privacy. Now let's scroll down to the other security settings. And as you can see right here, we've got the credential storage. All we have to do is to tap on Clear Credentials and confirm it. As you can see, if you've got any kind of screen lock or reset, you will have to enter it to confirm. And here we've got the information that the credential storage has been erased successfully. What's more, here we've got the evidence because we cannot tap on this option again. So basically that's all. This is how to clear credentials in your Samsung Galaxy A73. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.